What up, YouTube? This your boy Molo the Barber, and yo, today I'm coming at you with a really important video. Show you all how I tie my do-rag with no knots. Stay tuned.
I should have known you was in here. I saw the dripping from the driveway. Follow the drip, follow the drip. They've never had no problem finding it.
I've been getting a lot of questions on how do I tie my do-rag, because I posted in this group, salute to Elite Spins, salute to Natural Elite Wavers, all the other wave groups out there, man. I fuck with all of y'all. And I got this question. So I posted in the group how I tie my do-rag with no knots. Take a look, you can see no knots in my do-rag. And I find out that this really helps with not getting those when you sleep at night and you lay on that knot and it kind of digs into your hair. And even if you have the do-rag with the slim straps and you see you get that line around, it's like an irritation. It's not a good look, especially if you're a waver like me. So things first, this do-rag I got, I don't even know, I'm not even sure if it's a do-rag, honestly. It has long tails on it. This was my wife's, and she would wrap her hair up with this at night. And one night, my do-rag was so tight, it was giving me a headache, and I saw her with this little thing like this. I don't even know what this is or where to get it from. I gotta ask her. But I was like, yo, I'm gonna tie my hair up like how she do and wrap her joint, right? And since I did that, bro, like those lines are gone. Those lines are gone. So I'm gonna show you, first you gotta do is you gotta get a do-rag like this. I'm not sure what kind it is. Ask your girl, she might know. It's got like it's got the long tails on it. Ask her, I don't know. And of course I flip it inside out so that this part right here, this threaded line, will be on top so it's not digging in, so I don't have that thread line there. And what I do is put it on, make sure that thread line is straight, and bring it down to about my eyebrows, right? And I take this and I'm gonna wrap one around. You see how I'm keeping it fully extended, and I wrap it around. Bam. Take it and I wrap it around again, right? So now I've got the small tail right here. Bam. I can let this one go, and I'm holding this. Now I take this one and I'm gonna do the same thing. Like a big band, I'm gonna wrap it around. Wrap. You see how I've got it snugged in there? Get that out my face, that'll be annoying. Bam. Got that wrapped around like that. And now, when I get right here, you might be thinking, well damn, you know, what you gonna tie it to? So now, my head is wrapped. Like it's fully wrapped. You see what I'm saying? There's no knots, no nothing, it's fully wrapped. So now I'm gonna go with this fold method, where I'm gonna take the second wrap we did, fold it down. Bam. Second wrap, fold it down. So now it's there. So I'm gonna take the first wrap we did, well, not the first wrap, but the first level. You gotta find that first level right there, and you're gonna pull it down to get it tighter and snug. Right? You're gonna take that, you're gonna flip it up, make sure it's good and snug. Take this right here, bow, flip it down, flip it down, and now you Gucci. Full wrap, no knots, baby. Full wrap, no knots. This has been your homie, Molo the Barber. Yo, please do not forget to like, subscribe, share. I'll be coming to y'all, bringing y'all product reviews, because of course I am a barber. And, oh yeah, I got it. Let's go, we out.